What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I was asked how did I make my reels, because they can tell they was a little different and not standard, and they're not. These are air hose 3/8 reels. So what I did was I went and found some that had the locks on the side, so that way you can lock them. I put the handle in the inside, and gave it enough space where I can be able to move them. And they are very good. These are 3/8, and actually, I would say you can put at least a good 50 on both sides. That's what I got. And you can put a good 50 on both sides with no problem. And then you can carry your access lead inside of your toolbox. That's what I do. But I think I think it was between $35 and $45 a piece for them. And then also, I got this reel too, and this one is just a manual one, and I made my little deal on the side of it. But I think I spent $20 for this one, and it's good. And I just had to do some fabrication to it to make it like I wanted it. But I wanted to utilize what I had and what was cost efficient for me to start my mobile independent welding business without going into the hole. So I used a lot of things that was laying around and off of different job sites. Even my welding skid is made off of metal from different job sites that I had. Some of them I had to piece together, and I kept the welds on there just to prove a point that you can utilize what you got. If you're a good fabricator, you can make it work. You know, that's one thing I love about welding, because if you cut it wrong, you can fix it. But it's not like wood. Once you cut it and it's too short, you got to go buy another piece. So I like utilizing the scrap metal, and like I say, utilizing the cost-efficient items. Like this works very good, sturdy, and I think like I say, I paid $35 to $45 for these reels, and they're good. You know, they got 4 little bolts. You can put your little holes in, bolt it down. So there's a few different things that you can do, man. I just say think outside of the box when you're making and creating your own bag. Hog on.